Eto po ang inyong bouquet! Ayan! Happy birthday! At syempre, meron din po kayong si Father. Asa si Father? Ang inyong Ferrero chocolate! Mother, meron din surprise po para sa inyo. Meron din kayong balon! Meron din kayong cake! Wala! Meron din kayong pizza! Patulong! Okay, ito po ang inyong pizza! At saka yung mga gifts! Ito po ang yung mga gifts! Yan! Thank you! Ayan! Okay, daan! Mamalo natin, hawakan mo po yung bouquet natin. Kasta lang kasi, kasta lang. Okay, mother! Ilayin natin. Ayan pa, meron pang gift. Okay!
She gave me life, showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and as time went on, she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Ooh. She filled every need, made my life complete. Time and time again, she was with me to the end. She'll believe your dreams, however hard they seem. When you'd almost given up, she was there to lift you up. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Oh, oh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love, and she would do it all again for the chance to help you win. She was the one who gave it all. She was the one through every fall.
Close up! Wala bang kiss dyan? Isa pa! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, mother! Bago niyo po i-blow yung candle, dapat po muna kayo mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish! Oh, hangin! Wag hangin! Okay, wish na po, mother. Okay! Happy birthday, Ma'am Lilia! Palakpak naman dyan! Ayan. At syempre, meron po kayong handang letter ang inyong mahal sa buhay. Sino po ang maaari magbasa? Ah, si ate! Oo, si ate. Si ate, ganda! Paborito ka na. Okay, ate. Message mo.
Alam mo ah.
Lahat naman.
Greetings from Aloha State, full of love from Kristine, Ronald, John Albert, and James Aita. So our ever dearest Nanay, you mean so much to us, more than words could ever say. You have given so much for us, as only a mother could. For all the times that we forgot to say thank you, for your kindness and all the special things you do, for all the words that sometimes go unspoken, for the continued love and support. Your love has always inspired us and your heart has always guided us. Thank you for always there when we needed you. Thank you for being a blessing in our life. No one could ever take your place for you are the most precious gift from above. May God continue to fill your life with boundless joy and love. Happy birthday, Nanay. Wishing you much strength, love, good health, and the most important thing in life, happiness. We miss you and we love you so much. Ayaw natatouch. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Ayan!
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ayan po ang kanyang
Congratulations,
message po.
Gayam kan Ronald for his promotion. Thank you, Kristine, Samboy, Ethan. Thank you very much. Hindi ko inasahan itong pan. Talagang na-surprise ako. Salamat din sa mga nagulat sila. Si Henry, Janet, Kristine, Monica,
wish you all the love and happiness in the world, today and always. You always there when we needed you. You are, thank you for all the sacrifice you gave sa mga binigay mo sa amin. Maraming salamat po. More birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Balayan. And more birthdays to come. Sabi ko mata, ano pa, iti birthday, mga dumtag. Nagyamang kami iti suportar iti kada Henry, kan suportar mo iti Pampanga. Thank you, Balayan. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay!
Happy birthday po, Ate Lilia. Thank you po for being the blessing to all of us. Thank you po dahil nandito po kayo lagi kapag kailangan ka po namin nila mama. Thank you po sa pag-mamahal niyo. More birthdays to come po.
Services.
Ay, isa pa! Ate, kayak pa sa atin. Love you, Bruno.
Birthday po, Nanay. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po kasi pinanggap mo ako, Nanay.
Sino pa?
Happy birthday, Manay. Many more birthdays to come. God
Happy 66th birthday. Thank you po sa lahat ng support at binibigay niyo po sa amin at nung na-strong po si Daddy, nandyan lang po kayo. Love you, Nay.
Thank you din.
Wala na? Si Papa! Sir, pasok? Okay. Again, message niyo po sa inyo may bahay!
Siyempre, I wish you happy birthday. Sana hahaba pa ang buhay mo, marami pang darating ng mga birthdays para makapag-celebrate tayo taon-taon ulit. Sa ganito, may family gathering always. Kaya I wish you good health. Stay safe.
Pero bakit? Iba yung doon, iba dito. Yes! Iba yung doon, iba dito.
Maasim na yung kwan.
Mother, ano po ang inyong mensahe sa inyong anak na si Ma'am Kristine at sa kanyang pamilya? At syempre, yung mga mahal niyo po dito sa Pilipinas. Ano po yung message po sa kanila? All the way from Hawaii!
To Ronald, Kristine, Samboy, and Ethan, thank you very much sa surprise. I love you all. Congratulations again to Ronald for the promotion. Good luck, God bless. Thank you. Thank you very much. And to all of you, my children, my husband, thank you, and friends, relatives, all to all. Balayan, Silita, Sheila, Monica, Janet, above ka. All the above. Thank you for this surprise.
Okay. Masaya, Mother? Masaya?
Masayang masaya! Expect na may surprise talaga.
Kita blindfold, di ba, Mother?
Oo nga,
Okay!
kanina eh. Kaya, ano kaya yun?
Ayan. So, magpapakilala na ako, Mother, kahit na 3 beses nyo na ako in-invite or 4 na beses pala. Kilalang kilala na. So, blindfold kayo para hindi nyo kami agad makita. At syempre, okay na. In behalf of Edmonton's Flower 748, thank you po ulit sa pag-trust at pagpili po sa amin. Huwag po kayo magsasawa sa paulit-ulit. Dahil isa ito sa family na talagang nagtitiwala talaga sa amin. 4 times first time kayo nagtiwala sa amin. At syempre, hindi rin po kayo iba sa amin, ante. Isa kayo sa mabait na naging customer ko. Sa dito kayo may take out. Ayan, isa po sila sa mababait na nasurpresahan po namin. At syempre, more blessings to come. Good health, pati ako nabubulol. Ayan, good health, ante. Yun lang po. Masaya to pamilya nyo. Ayan. So, salamat din kay Ma'am Kristine, all the way from Hawaii, sa kanyang pamilya. Ayan. Sir, thank you rin po sa si Nico, si Ate Janet, thank you sa lahat po. Ayan, sila yan. Para ko na silang family din talaga.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Nanay. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Happy birthday, Nanay. I hope you have a wonderful day because this day is centered around you, and I hope that you feel happy and joyful. I hope that you know that there's more years to come. And hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe.
Birthday, Nanay. And I wish you have a great day and life with a joyful birthday every year and wish you could stay safe.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Sana nandyan din kami para mag-celebrate ang birthday nyo. Alam po, marami na rin kami nami-miss na mga celebrations, but in our heart, we still, wish you happy birthday, and we always pray na lagi kayong malakas at kayo may papang, lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan. We love you and we miss you. Happy birthday!
Hello, Nay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday po. Pasensya na po kayo kung absent na naman po kami sa birthday celebration ninyo. But rest assured that we are there in spirits. Hopefully, makaawid kami ng maminsanan, makapagbakasyon. Lalo na sila Kristine at saka mga bata. Sana malpas dati COVID tano awanti ko. Makaabala nga ako. Makaawid na tao. And here's my message to you, Nay. Nay, just want to let you know that no amount of words can describe you. You are the best. You are an epitome of a real mother. A very caring wife to tatay. A very loving mother to your 5 children. And a doting grandmother to your apos. A very generous and helpful to your relatives, friends, and other people. You're always there to lend a helping hand and a shoulder to lean on for those who are in need. I'm very blessed to be part of your family. I would say that I myself have a great family of my own. A beautiful, loving, caring, and understanding wife in Kristine. It's very obvious that she is a product of yours. You have 2 amazing apos in John Albert and James Ethan. You and Tatay set an example of a strong family foundation worth emulating for. I will not be where I am being successful in my career, reaching the highest enlisted rank in the United States Navy, if not for the support of our family. And I want to dedicate that to you and Tatay as well, for achieving these milestones because of your continued love and support. You are an inspiration to us. We thank you for your kindness in your heart and for being a wonderful person, a wife and a mother you are. Nay, happy birthday. Wishing you the best. May our good Lord always bless you with love, happiness, and good health. Enjoy your birthday. We love you. Happy birthday, Nay. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hello, Manang Lel. Happy birthday. God bless. Good health. I love you.
Hello, Manang Lilia. Happy birthday. Sapay ko mata nakaradkad kayo latad dita nga agtaganayon. God bless you.
Ingat.
Ingat.
Happy birthday, Ate!
Happy birthday, Mana. Wishing you the best health in life.
More birthdays to come. God bless. We miss you all!
Hello, Auntie Lilia. Happy birthday. God bless you, good health, and long life. Ingat lagi.
Ingat palagi. Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Isang cake namin, pero para sa inyong tatlo. Si Mamang, si SP, si Manang Lilia. So nga awanti naga na dito, happy birthday lang in general, applicable sa inyong tatlo. Lahat na nag-birthday, kahapon at saka ngayon.
She gave me life, showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and as time went on, she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Ooh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love. Ooh, ooh. She filled every need, made my life complete. Time and time again, she was with me to the end. She'll believe your dreams, however hard they seem. When you'd almost given up, she was there to lift you up. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Oh, oh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love. And she would do it all again for the chance to help you win. She was the one who gave it all. She was the one through every fall. When the world comes crashing down,